you every night. Dream of you every night. Can I help it if I dream of you every night? Dream of. Hey guys, so we're going home today. It's our third day here in Malapascua, and I just wanted to show you around. I think I already toured you around, but not in this time of the day. So we're here at Villa Sandra Beach House, and it's a bit windy this morning, and if you can see the pancake dream catchers. And I really love this place because it really feels like I'm just home. Doesn't feel like you're in a resort or somewhere. You're home, guys. You're home here in Villa Sandra. So I'm really sad because we're not able to launch this because of our busy schedule yesterday. But I hope when they launch this, maka-witness gihapon ko, but I'm not really sure if that will happen because December na. And this is their meditation area. It's really huge, and kids come here often to meditate as well, with some of their guests. And this is their music area. Musical instruments, of course, are here. And then ma-amaze mo sa kadaghan sa ilahang dream catchers gibitay. And this is their dining area. And I think they're still preparing tea. So muna siya, guys. Ang life story ni Sir John Villasandra, Karma's Bounty. He even has a book. He has a book, so if you're bored, you can just read his book. Read his life story. And aside from that, Sir John! I'd like you to meet Sir John, guys. This is the owner of Villa Sandra. So if you wish to come here, you can stay in the rooms. If you don't like to stay in an air-conditioned room, you can just sleep on a hammock.
Hammock in the room and not aircon also.
Yes, so they have a lot of options here, and they also cook vegetarian food. Yeah. Vegan, veggie, yeah, like that. And then, so grabe, you feel like you're home here in Villa Sandra. So if you happen to be in Malapascua, visit Villa Sandra Guesthouse. Look for John Villa Sandra. So this is the area where they hang their wetsuits, place their scuba gear. Villa Sandra Guesthouse, vegetarian, vegan restaurant. Right, so this is another shower area, but they have a lot of comfort rooms and shower rooms there inside. I already toured you inside, guys. So those are ecobricks, even fences, or these are ecobricks too. And there are the toilet. The wall is made of ecobricks. Those are bottles. These are ecobricks. There. And there's a house made of bottles.
Bottles from Emperador and Tanduay.
Emperador and Tanduay. We're going there in a bit. Let's go.
Look at this. This is your Quran.
So what does that really mean?
That's from the Thailand monks and
Monk.
Yeah. So Alona made that Quran.
That artwork. So many wonderful plants here. The tattoo area. And so we're going to the... Oh, that one!
Yeah, we're going there. So this one is made from any kind of recycling, like plastic, Emperador, because people, so many, like in high season, so many drunk people. A little bit, so I keep it to the bottle and make like this. This is only cement no sand,
No kabilya?
no kabilya. It's only like that. And yeah, until the end of it.
So this is typhoon proof. Wow.
Pepsi, Coca-Cola, any kind of bottle.
And kawayan lang sa taas. Nindot siya, uy. Ay, karon pa ko karo dito dapit ang sa diha.
Yes, romantic place.
Ah, it's another place?
Yeah, this one like this is my way before.
Ah,
This is mine, but I give for the right way.
romantic place kasi. Oh, so this is another part na. Asa ni siya gawas dito? Dagat?
School.
School. Oh,
Dagat
okay.
na tayo.
So, this is where we toured around yesterday. So, first we went to the Japanese shipwreck. It's in Gimbitayan. And then we went to North Beach. Where's the North Beach? I think this is the North Beach. I'm not really sure. Because after the North Beach, we then went to Garden Corals. Sa? Si Gail. So, we went here too, and then after is the Dakit Islet here. So we went round the Malapascua Island in around 7 hours. Of course, we stopped over this area to eat lunch. Kani wala ni na mamadto. Ay, mo di gyapon ni. Adto North Beach. Ay, Ginoo ko. Lahi ra dai siya na kuan.
This is the dive shop.
Lapus. Los Bambus. Kalanggaman oh. One day.
Wala pa man nagsugan ang kalanggaman.
Ha?
Wala pa.
Ah, wala pa.
Guys. And padungi sa magkuha og
Isda.
isda
Pamahaw.
for our breakfast. I'm with Margrette.
Hey guys, wa pa ilugo.
Pero mabalik ko din mga 12, 13. Sila yung mga room.
Do you stay here, Mos?
Oh, I didn't.
Mag-prenup sila.
One night lang.
Ah, okay.
Eh, mag-screen ako kung kuhan. Kuya.
So, dili ka masabay sila.
Dili, ay, mukuan ko, mubalik ko. Mabalik na ko dili ka. Kuan.
Bantayan mo nila ha.
Ay, dili, mo diretso ko Cebu.
Muli di ka.
Oh,
Today is morning, no?
Sabay ko nila, balik Cebu. Yung balik lang ko dito sa
12, 13.
12 and 13.
Mag-boat rin yung bantayan sa kuan.
Nice niya. Katong nagbalikan sa labad ba? Pwede lang mo i-diya to diving.
Amo to siya?
Oh, mo to siya.
Wa man ko kaila to.
Oh, to siya.
DSD.
Sila to ni mo i-kuhan. I-picture ilang dive shot.
Go.
Ang kumukuyo ba nga. Makri mo diya o kanang kuhan. Kana pwede mo DSD dive. And then, i-picture nila. Ipapicture nila.
Ganahan ko na.
Nag-offer lagi to siya. Sa pilang sila ka po, kaya akong i-offer obviously kaya para makuha niya.
Daghan kay mo.
Bukos sa kana sa
Puho na lang puhon.
Ikaw, ano na lang. Sige na ko. Yes,
Hello.
Morning.
Oh, sa Katmon po.
Friend name ako man.
Duuro ka siya dito. Kung pustay lang man siya gastay.
Labay, palit mo gisda bay.
Kornog.
Dalo na lang sa
Aloe vera oh.
Ay, dala ko na sa Uba lang ko.
Indot sa gana ako si Michael of Wales kay Lasing Atol po na
Michael is
May best friend ako, katong nag-guide sa inyo ha.
Ah.
Bago dito sa dahilan anong naabot ko dito po. Alay.
Ano bilang ko isda?
Ha?
Si Mao din si Michael.
So guys, ano may dali guys?
Wow.
May 100.
Wala, lami ni oh.
Lami na siya.
Lami lagi na ununon.
Wala na siya prito.
Ito? Wala din sa buwan?
Tara, yung mga puwan. Yung mga puwan, mulmulo.
Go. Wala, pero unya kami kabayad. Nangulikta pa ko.
Okay lang. Kaya ang puwan na niya, wapa ba sa dilim? Pilam to, kilo lang.
Mo.
Kaningo na ni ba pa? Ay pagsingon ba?
Aman.
Pag-sure di ano na eh.
Oh, kana oh.
Lami lagi na utang
Balik,
isuno.
balik. Balik plastic na din.
Kabot og 2 kilo.
Pili ah, wala na din sila.
May dagko.
Kaya pa na, yapi lang.
Utdan niyo, iya ko buksan. Ang utdan ba?
Kuan ba to? Gagana alon?
Uy, may kapangit ang pagkana. Mama.
Say updan. Ay kari updan ay.
Lahi sila pa rin.
Ha?
Nalahi na sila.
Gagmay man na utsi.
Kani guys is worth 500. Daghan kayo. So if mo mangita mo isda ato atong among giadto, pangita si Michael.
Tawag naman. Tawag ka? Oh, okay.
Sing guys.
So kiss me and smile for me. Remaining sa fish.
Ayaw, sabi.
Dali, usap na.
Oh, best we hate you.
Dili na di makauli actually dili.
Oh, Lili Malapascua.
Let's go, guys! Hey guys, we're going home!
Hey!
Thank you, Villa Sandra! Thank you, Malapascua! Ay, kalamas hangin. So, balik mi po, mag-clean up mi. That's a promise I have to keep next year. Woo! Sa lambog, ay sa lambog. Sa...
Oh, hangin.
That's our boat. Clean airport pier. Clean port.
As clear as the daisy flowers that you see in the morning blooming so
Bye.
Thank you Malapascua.
Yay!
Farewell. So guys, we're here at the port of Malapascua Island and we're waiting for our boat since it's still being retrieved over there. And the BYC fam is already waiting there ahead. Thank you so much, Malapascua, for your hospitality. We hope to see you again next time.
Looking for mga 10 pa to.
Ako apat.
Mga 10 sa Bantayan, Tulo, sa On.
Abot pa yan ng mga January yung vlog ko.
Ako po.
touchdown mainland Cebu. Thank you so much for being with us in this trip. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you wish to if you have any questions about our trip, the places we went to, the people we went with, please do ask them in the comment section. And if you wish to support my channel, support our cause, support our advocacies, please do subscribe and tap on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. If you wish to travel with me soon, please be a member of the Gods and the Goddesses or the Clandestines. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye guys! So kiss me and smile for me. Remaining sufficient. Oh, dili, ubos na.